Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing focus tools and knowledge, torque wrench, gap gauge, and indexing washers. Once done, confirm the engine's cylinder numbering and firing order so you won't swap wires. Remove only one spark plug at a time and mark its wire position to preserve sequence. Make sure to observe the electrode's orientation when the plug sits in the hole. This visual tells you where the spark will exit. Doing this immediately prevents guesswork later and keeps the ignition-timing relationships intact. Now you perform the precise indexing and gap adjustments. First, measure the plug gap and compare with the spec. Adjusting changes how the spark faces the combustion chamber. If the electrode points away from the intake valve, add thin indexing washers under the hex to rotate the electrode toward the desired direction. Use 1 32nd inch steps if necessary. Once stacked, remeasure the gap because washers alter effective reach. If the electrode needs reshaping, file carefully or replace the plug to maintain consistent spark. Finish by reinstalling indexed plugs and torquing to the manufacturer's recommendation. Proper torque ensures seal and heat transfer. Once done, apply dielectric grease to boots to prevent moisture, then reconnect wires in the exact firing order you recorded. Start the engine and listen. A smooth idle and consistent rev response confirms success. If you hear a misfire, make sure to swap the suspect plug with an adjacent cylinder to determine if the plug, wire, or coil is at fault. This quick swap isolates the problem without disassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.